Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Cid, and you know what time it is. It's cafecito time. Cafecito time. So make sure you subscribe, like our videos, and stick around for some cafecito reviews. Hello friends, coffee lovers out there on YouTube. This is Veronica from House of Cid, and today I'm back with a coffee review. I know you guys always ask for coffee reviews and coffee recipes especially, so I'm working on it. I am working on it. I've been a little busy and honestly just, enjoying my summer, but I'm going to be back to making videos. And I just wanted to do a quick review of some coffee, some capsules that I bought during the Amazon Prime Day. So I don't know if you guys are Prime members, Amazon members, and shop Amazon for your coffee. But if you do, check them out. I have a video on how to find deals on Nespresso capsules. I'll leave a link to that at the at the Amazon warehouse. Sometimes you can find deals on machines and coffee. But this was a Prime Day deal. And yeah, this is what I bought. I bought Peet's Nespresso compatible capsules for the original machine. And it was a variety pack of 4. You got 4 different boxes of different capsules for, I think it was $13. So yeah, not too bad. $13, and I got them like within a day because it was Prime. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you the varieties they have. And I've already drank one of them, so I can't review for you guys, but it was pretty good. So you get, for variety, you get Ristretto, which is berry and brown sugar, intensity 8, and it comes with 10 capsules. So each box has 10 capsules. And I have seen these at like Target and the grocery stores, and they usually sell for like $7, $8. So $13 for 4 of them, pretty good deal if you ask me. So you get Ristretto, intensity 8. Here we go. You get Crema Scura. I can never pronounce these Italian names. Crema Scura, dark, luscious crema. This one is a medium roast of intensity 9. And like I said, I've used it because I was running low on coffee, but this is what the capsule looks like for that one. And then you get this is a dark roast, Nerissimo, bitter, sweet indulgence, intensity 11. And you get Ristretto, dark roast, intensity 10, spice and chocolate Ristretto. And I'm not too familiar. I don't really usually buy or even drink Ristretto just because it's too little coffee for me, but I know a lot of people enjoy the Ristretto. So yeah, let's open them up. My machine is on. This is what it looks like. Whew. And always dropping things here. So if I don't make a mess and drop things, would it really be House of Cid? Anyways, this is what it looks like. Intensity 10. And this is spice and chocolate notes. Let's see. Like a concentrated short pull espresso made by one of our baristas, Ristretto delivers a sumptuous truffle of flavor, showing crushed spice, rich fruit, and chocolate smoothness. Okay. And like I said, I don't usually buy Ristretto or drink it. So yeah, let's try it out. So let me know if you guys, if you ladies and gentlemen out there have bought Peets, and let me know which ones do you like, which one's your favorite. I think there is another variety which is a decaf, but I'm not 100% sure. I'll leave the link to everything down below. Oh, it smells really good. So Ristretto is 25 milliliters of coffee, and then in the back it'll tell you they recommend using it, brewing it as a Ristretto or an espresso. So you could use an espresso. Okay, here we go. Cafecito. Whoa. I don't know about you guys, but now that I've been using the Nespresso, I could smell the coffee. And of course you could smell it, but when I smell it, I could tell if it's going to be a light, medium, or dark, intense roast. And this one smells like it's dark and intense. It is kind of a little chocolatey, and it definitely is a little on the more, not too bitter, but a little bit bitter. Ooh, that one's really good. So it seems, you guys, I always do this. I pulled it as a espresso, not a Ristretto. So, silly me, I didn't change the settings. So yeah, I really want to try it as a Ristretto. I was like, you know what, that seems like it's too much. So let's do it again. See what happens when I try to be all perfect here? There's no perfection here. Just, you know, me. It's good though as an espresso. Okay. The crema is really pretty thick on these. Okay, so you'll see the difference. Whoa, okay. Totally taste the difference from when it's brewed as a espresso versus a Ristretto. Oh, I like it better as a Ristretto. It definitely is like more bold and not as bitter. Pretty, oh, okay, now I could definitely taste the more chocolatey notes with the Ristretto brew. Oh, pretty good. This is good. I like. Okay, the next one we'll try is the Nerissimo. And this one is black as night, sweet as brulee topping. Our Nerissimo is espresso, deliciously biting. It's a deliciously biting answer to those who say you can't have dessert all day. With milk or cream, bellissimo. Again, you could brew this as they recommend espresso, but if you want to do a Ristretto, you can as well. And this one's dark, intensity 11. And the capsules are pretty cool too. I like that it has the name on there. I like that it has the intensity level, and then the name of the actual capsule is on the top. Okay. Let's see, I'm gonna have to use my other cups because I don't have more of these. So I'm gonna use my Lungo cup. Okay, let's go back to espresso. I don't want to mess up again. Nerissimo. I did not like darker, intense coffees before, but ever since I've had the Nespresso machine, I gotta say I prefer them over like the light blends. I'll still drink the light blends and I still enjoy them, but I don't know, something about a dark, intense, bold coffee just is so, I don't know, it feels a little more rich, more, I don't know, I don't have the words, but I like it. So there it is. This one is Nerissimo Intensity 11. Whoa. Oh, you know what this is giving me? This is giving me Il Cafe vibes. I still have one capsule left of Il Cafe, and it's really, really giving me Il Cafe vibes. So if you like that, like, dark, intense coffee, Nerissimo is the one for you. Bitter, sweet, and dull. It is a little bitter, but they do recommend you drinking it with milk or cream. But even though it's a little bitterness, I don't know, it's really good. Ooh, I like it. Okay, so that was the Ristretto, that was the Nerissimo, and I'm not gonna brew Ristretto because I don't have any left. I should have saved one for the review, but you know, it was good. We liked it. The last one I'm going to brew for you is the Crema Scura. And let me know how you say this, because I know, you know, people always like to make fun of how people pronounce things. Inspired by the dark crema, we worked to perfect in Peet's coffee bars. This thick and luxurious espresso offers full-bodied, earthy, nutty notes balanced by a creamy, enduring finish. Intensity 9. Okay. And this is one I have bought before and have enjoyed. I just never reviewed it. I don't know why. So I hope everyone had a fabulous 4th of July. If you celebrated, if you're in the US, if you don't celebrate, or if you're not, I just hope you had a great weekend and you are having a fabulous summer. Unless you're in Australia or, you know, on the other side of the equator, then I know, no summer for you. Okay, so Crema Scura. Crema Scura? I don't know. Let's just taste it. Ooh. You know what? For being a lower intensity, it's a little, not stronger, but I think this one's more bitter. Okay. This one is only a 9, but even though it's intensity 9, it tastes a lot lighter to me. I don't know, maybe I should have started with this first and then worked my way up 9, 10, 11, but I did it the other way. Anyways, Peet's Peet's capsules for an espresso, they're good. You can find deals. I recommend them. I think my favorite is probably this one, the Nerissimo. Yeah, this one's good. I also like the Ristretto. That one's good. I'm gonna, you know, figure out some recipes to use with the Ristretto. But yeah, they're pretty good. I think for the price, and the quality's good. They're aluminum, which I know a lot of people kind of are hesitant to buy third-party non-Nespresso capsules because a lot of them are plastic. I've used plastic ones on my machine and haven't had any issues. But if you don't want to use plastic, Peet's is aluminum. You could recycle them in the Nespresso Recycle. You could find deals. I think they're on par as far as quality and taste with the Nespresso capsules. I recommend it. That's it. That's all I have for you guys today. Thanks for watching. As always, if you enjoy these videos, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe, because like I said, you know, we have a lot more videos coming up. And don't forget, I'm going to do another Nespresso machine giveaway, but we need to get to that beautiful 5,000 subscriber mark. So once we get there, we'll have another giveaway for another Nespresso machine. More reviews coming, more recipes coming. You know, let's let's keep having fun with our cafecito time. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave me your comments. Let me know what you think of the Peets, if you've tried them, if you're interested in trying them. I love hearing from you. I love chatting with you guys in the comments. I love reading your comments. I love our little coffee community we're creating here. So until then, we'll see you next time and enjoy your cafecito. Bye.